Whoa, howdy, Mr. Investor Lot, and we're here with another banger. Everybody knows Beem Global, I covered earlier. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, please do your own research. So it's basically a sustainable charging in minutes, not months. And they've got this product which is basically like a tree, a solar paneled energy tree. It's fast deployed, scalable, and it's got the lowest TCO. So the basic gist of it is it's a patented product that provides electricity directly from sunshine to be able to charge your electric vehicle. Doesn't need to connect to the grid, and you can put it up in as low as 4 minutes. So this is currently one of their first products that they've been working with the government. They've secured a government contract for deploying this across of America. But now we've heard of a second juicy product that has just come into play. Before we get into it, can I ask you to poke, tickle and slap that ass? Oh, slap that like button, my friends. Slap that like button. Since we first spoke about Beem Global on this channel, it's been up, down and everywhere. You can see that we're down as much as 20% from the recent heights. We are now sitting as low as 28, and the pre-market value showing demand is pushing back up into the 29s. So apart from some good news where analysts are thinking solar stocks are going to skyrocket in 2021 due to the Biden administration, Beem Global has come out with another product that they're developing that they've got a patent for. So this product is a drone charging system. So it's a UAV drone charging system for these autonomous drones that are going to be coming into play. So these guys have created a rapidly deployable drone recharging network that requires no construction and no grid connection. So what's really good about obtaining this US patent is that they've now got the intellectual property and they're protecting it for something they think they can monetize. This is an amazing product because if we take a look at it, the way that the future is moving in terms of last mile delivery, e-commerce, military, we're looking at, a drone recharging solution for all the vehicles of the future. So autonomous drones are here, and by having this rapid kind of charging solution, Beem Global is able to combat two problems. The two problems that drones face is the range and payload restrictions. Drones need the ability to recharge en route. So what Beem has designed is, we're going to create infrastructure on top of roofs in built up areas, undeveloped regions, or even at sea. So this could dramatically increase the potential range and the utility of UAVs. And the best thing about it is it's coming from sustainable energy. It's coming direct from sunshine, clean renewable electricity. These are all completely independent from the power grid. So say the power grid goes down, oh no, we can't deliver goods, oh no, we can't help people, if there's emergencies, we need to get these supplies out there. No, they can use it because it's off grid. They claim that their system is also able to gather data, so they want to work with a variety of drone operators with different business models, and they can monetize through subscriptions, pay-per-use, or even ownership. They're expecting customers to come from various industries, including commercial and military customers, because drones play an increasingly important role in package delivery and situational awareness. So Business Insider Intelligence predicts that the global drone shipments will reach 2.4 million units in 2023, and after that we're going to see a 66% annual compounding growth. So the industry is just going to keep growing, and the growth will occur across so many different sectors, including package delivery, agriculture, construction, mining, insurance, media, telecoms, and military. Oh baby, so we got Amazon delivering via Prime Air delivery program. We also have Google competing when it's got Alphabet's Wing, which is in partnership with FedEx and Walgreens, helping to deliver packages and also medications, pharmaceuticals. And also recently, the Department of Defense has awarded contracts totaling $13.4 million to 5 companies to sustain the capabilities of the domestic UAVs. So this was just part of a government US spend which saw about 84 million pumped into drone, space tech and shipbuilding industries. With some wise words from the CEO, Beem Global CEO Desmond Wheatley has said the latest patent product will enable us to approach what we believe will be a significant market in the future. A barrier to growth in adoption of drones is their limited range capabilities, so they want to solve that. And they believe the UAV arc charging solution will greatly extend the drone's range and capabilities. Not only will it do that, but it will gather data, and there'll be a recurring revenue model that's consistent with Beem's mission to provide clean mobility for all, whilst also utilizing a profitable business model. Desmond Wheatley believes that, patents have to have 2 requirements before they're going to invest in pursuing them. So first of all, they must cover a product we believe has market demand and we can monetize. And secondly, they need an economic moat. They need a significant barrier of entry for all the competition. Desmond then goes on to say that they've created these two great products and they believe they have to have discipline in protecting their intellectual property because they believe that these solutions that they've created are going to be able to monetize and create vast amounts of wealth in the future. I wanted to check what analysts thought of Beem, so I saw Investors Observer had rated them at 94%. So out of all markets and industries, they believe Beem Global has an overall rating of 94, which means it scores higher than 94% of stocks. Also in the technology sector, Beem Global is ranked as 86, so that's 86% more attractive than other tech stocks. So there are lots of drone delivery companies that are coming onto the market basically to help with distribution of vaccines. And there's been a 50 million capital raise by this one company called Volancy, a Bay Area drone delivery company. So some investor news outlets are claiming that the robots and delivery drones market is expected to revolutionize the industry and achieve global sales of 38.3 billion by 2030. So with so many drones coming into play to help provide solutions for different industries, they themselves need a charging solution, and Beem Global is aiming to provide that. So here we can see last mile delivery drones in Canada, for retailers. Lots of different drone companies are popping up. Lots of different giants like UPS, Walmart, Amazon, all preparing their products to adapt to the needs. Jeff Bezos has claimed that by 2019 we would have seen, drones as common as seeing a mail truck. This hasn't happened yet, but it's well on its way. So, regulations have not even stopped Domino's Pizza, London Drugs, Uber Eats, Air Canada, and Zipline, who are actively exploring how to leverage these market advantages as well. A Singaporean company called F-Drones has just test piloted its first commercial nighttime delivery. So this was with regards to naval delivery, so this is going to offer on-demand delivery drones to ships that are in ports. In other news, different countries are now providing grants and government funding. So the UK is actually providing £33 million worth of government funding in order to help deliver, COVID-19 supplies, vaccines, and to fight fires. So the government announces that the first wave of winners will receive government funding for their groundbreaking aviation projects. So Beem Global's patent. What does this patented solution mean for the company? It's going to provide, a very good source of income. If they manage to enable it on top of buildings and also enable it for military use as well as commercial use, there'll be a wide array of customers lining up to charge their drone systems. This is really going to help companies utilize drones in order to make more profit, save more time, and it's going to increase the efficiency of drones. Make sure you do your own research. I'm going to continue to reinforce my position of Beem Global with small positions, and I'll keep dollar cost averaging in because I think that this company for me is going to have a really nice future. Thank you very much for watching. Mr. Investor Lot over and out. Please hit that juicy like button and click subscribe. Join our family. Thank you very much.